Okay, so there's one more thing that I want to talk about with regards to tea. Like I said, in this course, we're just going to be talking about aged teas. Now, the one that I've been using in this demonstration is the Liu Bao, and this is in loose leaf form, right? But aged teas also come in cakes or bricks. So that's a totally different scenario, and I want to show you how, if you're working with those things, how you're going to break off the leaf and get into the pot. So what I have here is two examples of Pu-erh. So the first one here is in a brick shape, so you can see, compressed. And the second one is in a cake shape, so it's circular. And if you open this wrapper up and take it out, you can see that cake. So really, I could demonstrate on either one of these, it doesn't matter. So, because it's gonna be the same process. But what we need is a pu'er pick, like this, or you can use a butter knife. It doesn't really matter. You just need something that you can wedge in there. Okay, so let me just clear this stuff out of the way to give me some room. And I'll pull my brick over. So the way you want to do this is your non-dominant hand, whether you're lefty or righty, you put that on the cake or the brick firmly so that you're holding it in place. And now you come in with your butter knife or your pu'er pick at the point where you want to chip off the leaf that you want. Now, you have to be very careful here, especially if the pu'er is tightly compressed. You want to make sure that that before you put pressure on it, that you're not angling this in any direction where if you actually slip, it'll go into your hand, right? So, in this case, like if I want to get this little chunk off, I could just, gently, you don't have to try and go in all the way, just gently put it in and then flex it up. And you're gonna just chip off. And you see, so just make sure your hand is not anywhere in the way where if the pu'er pick goes through the cake that it can get you. So just take it slow, but then you're gonna get this leaf starting to come off. And you just keep chipping away until you get as much as you need. So now, again, we have our scale here. So I'll just turn this on. It's at 0. And this implement here, this bamboo implement, is very useful. I don't know what they're called, but it's very useful when you're doing chipping away pu'er cakes because it has this little opening here at the base so that you can easily pour it into whatever you're trying to get it into. So we're at 4 grams, and now we're at 5 grams. So the rest of this I can just put back away, and now we have our tea.